in this video, I will be guiding you on how to reset your Kraken wallet account password. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So yeah, first open your Kraken app or kraken.com and then you will tap login and tap forgot password below the login fields. Then you will enter your registered email address and tap submit. Check your email inbox, open the email from the Kraken app or Kraken website, and then tap the reset password link. Enter a new strong password, and then you will confirm and tap reset password. And then you will return to the Kraken app and then log in with your new password. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.